stuck in a time I couldn't help the way I was hurting. A toxic place in time, but you didn't care. Now I'm stuck in a rhythm cause I can't find what I've been missing, and the feelings are taking over. They're not yours to take. I tried to paint a pretty picture, but it backfired. Now I'm left with nothing, and the memories they fade. It can't take away my yesterday.
Hey, what's up? It's Bill with Seeds of Nature Water Gardens, and I'm in Veneta, Oregon, working on a project in collaboration with GrassRoots Landscaping out of Eugene. And they have subcontracted me to come help them build this 8-foot-long pondless waterfall on a hill. Let me flip it around and show you the project. So this is the back of the house, and it's a really beautiful property. Obviously, we have all this forested area, lots of moss, lots of ferns, just perfect area. So the guys at GrassRoots, they are developing this hillside. They're going to have boulders. There's going to be stepstones. There's going to be plantings. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous. And this is where the pondless waterfall is going to be. It's going to be about 8 feet long, and we're going to have about 100-gallon basin. We're going to have 6 small aqua blocks, pump fall, and an SLD 5000 pump. So lots of really big boulders are going to go into here because obviously this is about a 6 to 7 foot rise, and this is going to be awesome. We do have a natural spring, so there are some challenges. We're going to have to figure out a sump here so that we can dig our basin out. But yeah, that's it. Let's get to work. Okay, so we got the basin pretty much excavated, but as you can see, we had to dig a wet sump because this is a hillside, it's clay, it's in the wet, rainy season in Oregon, so we have a lot of spring water popping up out of the ground, so we gotta make sure that we get that out of there as we build our basin, because otherwise hydrostatic pressure will push our basin out of the ground, ruining all the hard work we did. So that's first step, and it's just a really simple way to alleviate some of that extra water, little sump pit, evacuate it out. And so then next we got our aqua blocks, and so these are the water storage devices. We got our pump vault. This is for ease of maintenance and to just extend the life of your pump, protect it from rock and all kinds of stuff falling into it. And then yeah, once we get that all in there, then we can actually start playing with some rocks. All right, that's it. Had a lot of fun with this one. Really appreciate you watching, and thanks to GrassRoots, and their crew is amazing to work with. And if you need any landscaping in Eugene, check out GrassRoots Landscaping Company. And if you're looking for a waterfall or a ecosystem pond, you can contact yours truly. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.